Hey Winterberry fam, it's Jen here. I have a hair hack for you and this one's pretty cool. I don't think I brought you this one before, but if I have, then you're getting a repeat. And sometimes that's good because it reminds us of the hacks that we've learned before and really don't remember. But this one's cool. All you need is a dry erase marker and you're gonna need a mirror. And I just used my bathroom mirror when I did this because I actually wasn't sure what my face shape was. I feel like we're biased against our own faces and we want them to be a certain shape even though they're another one. So what you're gonna do if you don't know your face shape is get in your mirror, grab your marker, and you're gonna get really close and you're gonna draw the outline of your face with that marker. Make sure it's dry erase and not permanent, guys. And then step back and you can look and see what that shape is, and that's your shape. That's your face shape. There are 5 different ones. We've got oblong, round, heart, oval, and square. And depending on which one you are, let's do an example. So oblong, that means your face is a little bit longer than most. So for that particular style, I would go with kind of like a shoulder length or a little bit shorter of a style, and we would put like a bang or a face frame around, and we would probably curl her hair because we want to add balance and symmetry to the face and kind of give the illusion of it being a little bit shorter. And take this with a grain of salt because everyone is different. Everyone has different personalities, and so you kind of have to play around with certain styles. That's why in high school, I mean, geez, I think I had like 15 different types of hair in high school because I was still trying to figure out who I was and what my personality is. And so these are just suggestions, and everyone is different. Everyone has a different personality. And so you would go with, you know, what your personality says about you. Like me, for example, I should probably have brown hair. My eyebrows are brown. When my roots grow out, they're brown, or like a dirty blonde. But my personality likes to be platinum, and I like to be as blonde as I can be. So that being said, everyone is unique. Everyone has their own taste and their own personality, and I think that whatever your hair is, it should fit your personality above what, you know, a magazine's gonna tell you that is best for your face shape. But this is a good starting off point where if you're trying to figure out a new style and you want to update your look, this is a good place to start. It will kind of give you an idea of what's recommended for you. If you do this little hair hack and you still don't think that is right, and you need someone's help kind of figuring out what looks best, then you can come in for a consultation and I will tell you which face shape is, and we can do this together. So I am on all the social media platforms. Well, I say all, Facebook, Instagram mostly. So if you guys aren't following me over there, then you should get up and go click that button that says follow. And I will see you over there. I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos and content. I got a bunch of new stuff coming, so stay tuned for that update. One of those is my website. Right now it's jenshairdesign.com. I don't think the thing will change, but it will definitely be a whole new website. So I'm working on that right now. I'm getting close to being finished. Sorry, I'm getting all tongue twisted today. I'm getting close to being done, and it's gonna be a lot better. I still have my blog. You can find that on my website, and I will be updating new blog posts on there as well as new photos, new videos, and just a whole bunch of new stuff. So stay tuned because you're not going to want to miss it. And I'm glad you guys stayed till the end of this video. Give it a like if you watched it all the way through and you liked what you saw. And if you tried that out, then leave a comment that you tried it and you figured out your face shape, or DM me and I will directly, you know, message you and we can get to know each other a little bit better. But if you are looking for a new stylist, I just moved back here in February. Last year I didn't really focus on hair too much because it was a hard year for me and I wasn't ready, but I'm ready now. I'm feeling good, and there's a lot of new changes for me this year in a good positive way, and so we're gonna go full time on the hair again. So I'm taking new clients. If you guys need a new stylist, hit me up. All right, talk to you later.